In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete contact from Constant Contact list. Start by signing into your Constant Contact account and going to your main dashboard. Make sure you are in the correct account and workspace, especially if you manage more than one list or brand. This helps you avoid removing someone from the wrong audience. Once you are in Constant Contact, look for the Contacts section in the main navigation and click Contacts. This is where Constant Contact stores your contact database and the list those contacts belong to. Give the page a moment to load fully so you can see the contact table and selection checkboxes. Next, find the person or people you want to remove from a list. If your list is long, you can use the search and filtering tools on the Contacts page to locate the right entries faster, but the key action here is selecting the correct contact record. When you are ready, check the box next to the contact or contacts you want to remove. Take a second to confirm you selected the correct rows, since your next action will apply to everyone you have checked. With your contacts selected, go to the Actions menu near the top of the Contacts table. Click Actions, then choose Remove from List. This option removes the selected contacts from a specific list, which is useful when someone should no longer be included in a certain email audience, but you still want to keep their information in your overall contacts database. This is different from deleting a contact entirely, so it is a good choice when you want to keep history or retain the record for reference. After you choose Remove from List, Constant Contact will prompt you to confirm the change. Click Remove to confirm. Once confirmed, the contacts will no longer be members of that list, and they will not receive emails sent specifically to it. If you need to double-check your work, you can open the list view or refresh your contacts page to confirm the contacts are no longer associated with that list. That covers everything you need to know.